Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone. If you're a fan of Fujifilm's X-E series, get ready for an exciting update. Today, we're diving into the latest rumors and leaks about the upcoming Fujifilm X-E5. With a high-resolution sensor, cutting-edge autofocus, and improved stabilization, this mirrorless camera is shaping up to be a game-changer for photographers and videographers alike. Fujifilm X-E5. A major upgrade in image quality. The biggest rumor surrounding the X-E5 is its 40.2 MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5 sensor. A significant leap from the 26.1 MP sensor in the X-E4. This upgrade could mean sharper details, improved dynamic range, and better low-light performance. Paired with the X Processor 5, the X-E5 is expected to deliver faster processing speeds and reduced noise, making it ideal for high-resolution photography. New features and enhancements. 16-bit RAW recording for enhanced color depth and post-processing flexibility. Potential integration of Hasselblad's natural color solution for richer, more lifelike hues. Improved low-light performance with a backside illuminated sensor. Autofocus and image stabilization. A huge leap forward. Autofocus has always been crucial for serious photographers, and the X-E5 is expected to raise the bar. The rumored hybrid autofocus system with 294 points could significantly improve over the X-E4's 117-point system. Additionally, advanced subject detection AF may enable precise tracking of people, animals, and fast-moving objects. Another major addition is in-body image stabilization, a feature missing from the X-E4. The X-E5 is rumored to feature 5-axis IBIS with up to 7 stops of stabilization, making it perfect for low-light and handheld shooting. Fast continuous shooting and pro-grade video features. The Fujifilm X-E5 is rumored to support up to 20 frames per second electronic shutter, 15 frames per second mechanical shutter for action photography, 4K 60 frames per second video recording and 1080p at 240 frames per second for ultra-smooth slow motion. F-Log recording for greater dynamic range and editing flexibility. Fujifilm's legendary film simulation modes for cinematic color grading. These improvements make the X-E5 not just a powerful photography tool but also an excellent option for content creators and filmmakers. Retro design meets modern tech. Fujifilm is known for its classic rangefinder aesthetics, and the X-E5 is expected to retain this timeless design while improving durability. Rumors suggest a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, addressing one of the biggest complaints about the X-E4. Other expected features include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for seamless file transfers, USB-C fast charging and data transfer, dual UHS-2 SD card slots for more storage flexibility, HDMI port for external monitor support. Release date and expected pricing. Fujifilm hasn't confirmed anything yet, but rumors suggest a late 2025 release. Pricing is expected to be between $1,000 and $1,200, a reasonable jump from the X-E4's $850 price tag, given the significant upgrades. Should you upgrade to the Fujifilm X-E5? If you're looking for a high-resolution, feature-packed mirrorless camera that excels in both photography and videography, the X-E5 could be the perfect upgrade. With a powerful sensor, IBIS, faster autofocus, and enhanced video features, this camera offers incredible value. Are you excited about the Fujifilm X-E5? Would you upgrade from the X-E4? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest Fujifilm updates, right here on Techno Trend Zone.